Highly specified wire grades are constructed with internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety for the wire wheel. Constructed for even balance, which provides smooth performance with the wire wheel for angle grinder. Wire is 100% inspected to meet demanding quality specifications. 6 CRIMP bench wire WHL, 5/8 to 1/2 arbor, width. Equipped with knotted wire for heavy material removal, DEWALT Bench Grinder Brushes are crafted from highly specified wire grades with an internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety. Balanced construction delivers smooth performance. CRIMP wire provides flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. Really well made. I really enjoy using it. It works so much better than my old one.